Namaste everyone. I hope that you are fine, that you've begun this week at a beautiful note. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the energy of the week according to the tarot. But before I begin the video, let me introduce myself. For those who do not know me, I am Ruhi Ahluwalia, a coach and a therapist. I accompany people in a holistic way to help overcome challenges in the domain of health, career, relationship and finances. So let's see what the tarot has to tell us for this week. To begin with, we have this card that tells us that this is a week of balance, which means what? That this week we have to find a win-win situation in every domain of our life. This week we have to have a balanced approach. This week it's not just about me, but it's about us. How can you benefit? How can I benefit? Should be the approach this week. And also your approach should be to find balance everywhere in every situation, wherever you are. As far as the professional life is concerned, we've got these two cards that tell me that for some people, this week is going to be really good because you're going to fix some deals, contracts that have been waiting to be signed, to be fixed from the past few months of some time. This week, I feel that people are going to negotiate, get into negotiations that are going to be beneficial. So you see, again, you have to find that win-win kind of a situation in all your negotiations as well. As far as the finances are concerned, we've got these two cards that tell me that this week finances look great, but I see that people are going to spend money on traveling. So I see that money is being transferred from one account to another. You're going to do something for yourself for which you will have to spend money, but you're not going to spend money to do something completely different. It's almost going to be like an investment that you're going to make for yourself, because you will spend money and you'll get something in return as well. The feel-good factor, or maybe in terms of your health or career, whatever, or some training that you are going to spend your money on, and you're going to get some good returns for yourself. As far as the love life is concerned, we've got these two cards that tell me that this week you've to flow, go with the flow. This week you might feel like pressing up things. You might have this sensation that my relationship is not going at the speed that I want it to go, but just let go, just let it flow, because in the end everything is going to be okay. So you're going to have some little picks of impulsions which are going to tell you, okay, I want it to be harder, I want it to go stronger, but just allow your love life to take the time that it needs to take, and find again balance within yourself and balance with the other person. So I would say breathe and let breathe. As far as the health is concerned, we've got these two cards that tell me that people are going to invest some sort of amount for their health this week, in terms of in order to find the feel good factor. So what I'm trying to tell here is that the health looks really great, it's blessed. We're going to do some things that will benefit your health, so you will invest money in order to find balance within yourself. It could be physically, emotionally, spiritually. So health looks great if you're really aligned well in your thoughts, actions, keeping your state of mind at its top. Then the game you've already won. You can be assured of that. As far as the message of the week is concerned, we've got this card that tells us that this week looks like a very promising week for most of us. New opportunities flowing in your life. You're going to have a sense of satisfaction with all that you've done. I find you finding finally your place, like you are really happy that, okay, I'm like, now this is my place. Everything looks good and I am in control of things. So this week, try and align yourself as much as possible with the right state of mind, thoughts, actions, everything aligned, and then you will see that you're going to have a wonderful week. And then do let me know in the comment section if this week was good for you or was full of challenges, and how did you manage all the challenges, if at all there were. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Also share this video with at least 3 people that you know to inspire, guide others, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications. Until then, I wish you lots of love and a beautiful week.